Flow into gratitude for this mathematical problem. Imagine someone hands you 1 million numbers. Not random numbers. Every single one has its own hidden personality. Some are built from prime numbers. Some have many divisors. Some have very few. Some hide beautiful patterns that only mathematics can see. Now imagine taking tiny pieces of information from each of those 1 million numbers and feeding them, one by one, into a machine. Every time the machine receives another number, it changes its own state ever so slightly. One small change. Then another. Then another. A million tiny changes. By the time the last number has been processed, the machine has created a journey that nobody could have predicted from the beginning. Now the journey leaves the world of numbers. Every step of that journey is placed onto a perfect circle, like dropping a million glowing stars into the night sky. No one connects the dots. No one tells them where to go. Yet together they quietly form a mysterious shape. Your first mission is to discover exactly what that hidden shape looks like, and measure its precise area. Just when you think you've understood the challenge, the rules change. Now someone places a coin into your hand. But this isn't an ordinary coin. The chance that it lands on heads isn't given to you. It's secretly hidden inside another mathematical puzzle involving curves and infinite precision. Only after discovering that hidden probability are you allowed to flip the coin. And you don't flip it once.
You flip it millions of times. The question isn't simply how many heads appear. The question is whether chance itself behaved exactly the way mathematics predicted. Before you can catch your breath, the challenge changes again. Now imagine creating millions of invisible waves. Some waves amplify each other. Some completely erase each other. Some create beautiful patterns that exist for only an instant before disappearing again. Somewhere inside all those overlapping waves is one exact value. Your task is to find it. Then the puzzle transforms once more. You are no longer studying numbers. You are watching motion. A moving system follows perfectly smooth rules, until suddenly it reaches a point where smooth motion is interrupted by abrupt jumps. Imagine driving on a perfectly smooth highway that unexpectedly turns into a staircase. Yet somehow the journey continues without breaking. Your challenge is to predict exactly where that journey finally ends. Now the search becomes even more selective. Out of 1 million numbers, you must find only those that survive every test. The number must have the right internal structure. Its factors must obey special rules. Its digits must read the same forward and backward. Even the sum of its digits must belong to a famous numerical pattern. One condition removes thousands. The next removes hundreds of thousands. Another removes almost everything, until only a handful of extraordinary numbers remain. But the mystery isn't over. Now every number becomes a city. Invisible roads connect certain cities, but only if they satisfy remarkably strict conditions. Some cities become giant hubs. Others remain isolated forever. Your task is to understand the entire hidden map. How many colors would it take so that no connected cities share the same color? How many cities can remain completely independent? How many different ways can the entire network stay connected if only the essential roads remain? You're no longer solving arithmetic. You're uncovering the architecture of an invisible civilization. Then time itself enters the story. Some mathematical quantities grow slowly. Others double again and again. Others explode so fast they become unimaginably large. At first it seems obvious which one wins. But mathematics has a habit of surprising anyone who trusts first impressions. Finally, every mystery you've explored, the million-number journey, the hidden shape, the mysterious coin, the ocean of waves, the strange motion, the impossible search, the invisible cities, the race between different kinds of growth, all of them suddenly merge into one final calculation. Nothing is separate. Every answer you've found becomes one ingredient in a single enormous expression. And that expression asks for only one thing. Not an estimate, not an approximation, not close enough. It demands the first 100 exact digits of its final answer. That is the Omega Mathematical Challenge. It isn't one problem. It's a chain of mysteries where every solved mystery unlocks the next, until the very last number reveals whether you truly understood the entire journey.